Every single day I got in the kitchen, screaming every say it's for a ball of the dishes. And Julius remember, he's a monster I live with. That's the reason why I see, cause I just reached my limit.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Prism the East guy. This video contained valid emergency alert tone. As the creators is not responsible for any of these tones, all the EAS marks are fake ones I make, are for entertainment purposes only. Also, please don't not idiot by playing the tones in the air, because that will have mass panic and confusion. Prism the East guy does not own any music and sound effects and audios in each scenario. Anyways, go grab a packed ice cream and a Coca-Cola, and enjoy the each scenario.
Whew, there's a gas inside. I'm ready, boy.
But what? Classy simple nightmare? That's real bad idea. I think Francis can wait in tomorrow. I need it. I'm tired now.
Hey, what's that noise about here?
Wait till I go.
Alright, we're going to Palo later.
It's okay. We are going to Palo.
Alright, here we go.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Palo Police Department and Philippines government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test, my fellow Filipino. Ang nang tayo Palo late. The following the building are destroyed.
This is civil dangers warning. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 9:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Philippines government, and the Young Country Bombers government, and the E.A.S creators government. Catemojibabyheat going for Palo Leyte and attacking people. Don't not panic. Effect, there are roaming. Are the city for Palo City. Follow the abusing with Boba the police officers. What's happening? Residents in Palo, stay inside. Stay tuned for more update.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baton Rouge Police Department, with conjunction and Baton Rouge with the Smoke Gas, the Larva Rangers and the Young Country Bombers, also known members the Yada band Google called catemojibabyheat. Also, the smoke roaming around the street in the virus, nausea, vomiting blood, high fever, and extreme coughing. Do not go outside in the color smoke for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, the smoke color virus, extreme dangers. Stay tuned for more update.
Guys, where Josian?
I can know, but effect. Let's go to Yoylacity.
Hey, Josian.
What? Can know? Where is my Lola?
What is that? The smoke is
Those the color smoke in the room in the street in the Palo.
What is it? It's called red, orange, yellow, green, outside? Yeah, the smoke is exactly. Alright, we all need to wear the mask.
Yes, I think the smoke is roaming around the street
Yes, I am. The smoke between the coming out.
Dad, we are going to sleep now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the EAS Creators Government. The smoke, people watching the color smoke. The smoke, the body of human body. Second, wildfire burning forest and building and car and bike and motorcycle and burning. The COVID-19 of 2019 March 12th. 42 hours for the COVID-19. 34 hours and 23 hours. Do not panic. Effect. Do not panic. Settle. Fatalities have already been reported due to wildfire. Police stations around the city of Chicago are quickly filling up with the smoke and wildfire with patients exposed to the smoke. The city of Chicago and her locations is currently unknown at this time. Young Ben Google and catemojibabyheat and abusing with palo, Chinese gadget and country balls, Pluto. EAS, Germany mapping, Lola, Adrian _Shelby 2050 EAS. All residents receiving the following message are strongly advised to shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more coming events.
Good morning, everyone. And today is Las Vegas in 9:30 p.m. The United States government find out. The wildfire forest, fireman just water attack fire in fire truck.